Right on the side, down there. The dad cat is right there. It's gotta be their dad. 3 kittens there. Sugar there.
There it is.
And there's the 4th kitten. 4 kittens.
No.
I'm trying to get a better picture of it. I can't open the door because then they'll all run away. There's the dad cat. At least we think it's the dad. That's all the kitties. It looks just like him, almost.
That's the dad.
It's gotta be. And then Sugar the mom. Look at that cat right there.
Look how cute their ears are. They're waiting. I gotta go out here, okay?
Okay, yeah, go ahead. Let's see if, I don't know if we'll run or not, but we'll find out.
Yep. There we go. Behind the truck. Hey, shut this.
They all ran?
Yes. One's right here. Dad is back behind the trash can. See him? He's right there walking.
Oh yeah, way back there. Anyway. Hey, baby. Hey, babies. There's the one right there. And you got this one, just want to play around. What, sweetie? What is it? You hungry? You just had a squirrel for lunch and the food we gave you. Oh, there's another one right there. Yep. Meow. Meow, meow. Oh. Going over there for something. Look at that kitty. Little kitty cat. Sugar. Meow. Meow, meow. That she's gonna be feeding them? Oh, there's one. Oh.
Teresa's gonna feed them.
Okay.
She didn't feed them yet.
Alright. Almost dinner time. So we'll see you guys.
Come on.
Yeah.
She's coming, Sugar. She's coming.
We'll see you guys later.